Hey people, as of yesterday on Netflix, I watched this film called Article 15, which has Ayushman Khurrana and Sayani Gupta and a host of other talented folk. And my god, yeah, it's like this the movie is based in this fictitious town of Lalgaon, which is supposed to be in UP. I checked it on Google. There's no real place called Lalgaon. So because it's about a rape case that takes place there, gang rape, where three girls are two girls are found hanging from a tree, and then a third is missing. And how Ayushman Khurrana, his character, takes it on himself to find out, to solve this murder mystery, double murder case. So it's like, my god, that movie can give you goosebumps because right from Sayani Gupta to Ayushman Khurrana to hats off to the director, yeah, it is such a different film. So just go and watch it, yeah. It's called Article 15 and you can find it on Netflix. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.